Hey guys, today we're setting up the Tuner 3, the new portable radio by JBL. When you open the box, you'll find the Tuner 3. Inside the box, you'll also find the Quick Start Guide. Turn on the tuner and select your language. Simply press Scan to confirm your choice, and the tuner immediately starts scanning DAB frequencies. Made a mistake selecting your language? No worries. Simply hold the Bluetooth button and the Scan button for 5 seconds to factory reset the tuner. Make sure to extend the antenna. Once extended, the Tuner 3 starts playing the first radio station it finds. With the strap, you can take the Tuner 3 wherever you like. And with the IP68 rating, you don't have to worry about a thing. The big display makes tuning easier than ever. Press the right arrow to go to the next DAB station. Or switch to FM and find your frequencies there. You can either press the Scan button to automatically jump to the next available radio station, or use the arrow buttons to tune manually. Save your favorite radio stations by pressing one of the numbers and holding it for 2 seconds. To find your saved station, press the number you saved it at. You can do this for both FM and DAB, for a total of 6 saved radio stations. You can also use the tuner as a regular Bluetooth speaker. Press the Bluetooth button and connect it to your device. Use the play button to pause or switch songs and play your next tunes for up to 15 hours. Pair 2 tuners for stereo sound or using Auracast. You can connect multiple speakers by simply pressing the Auracast button on your main device and then pressing the Auracast button on the Auracast-enabled speakers. Unlock even more functionalities with the JBL Portable App. You can tweak the sound using the equalizer, dim or turn off the display, or use Playtime Boost to extend your battery's life. Remember to recharge your battery before it is completely drained. While charging, you might notice some radio interference. If the USB-C port is wet or dirty, charging protection will activate to prevent damage. If this happens and you hear a warning, unplug the cable immediately and ensure the port is clean and dry before attempting to charge again.